Hello, in this video I'll show you how to bypass Google verification or bypass FRP on your Samsung Galaxy S7. If the phone has a screen lock that you don't know, let's say your child has set it up and you don't remember, they don't remember it, you don't remember it, or you bought it from someone who forgot to basically reset the phone, you can bypass FRP on it. And what that means is you'll remove the screen lock, but later on it'll ask you to provide the Google account that was earlier logged in, and if you don't know it, then that's called the FRP bypass. What we'll do here is we'll basically skip that. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to remove the screen lock. You can see I have some sort of screen lock that I don't know, and to do it, you can see you can't really turn off the phone when it's locked. So what you'll need to do is to do a force shutdown and then immediately go into recovery mode. So press and hold on power, volume down, and the home button at the same time until the screen goes off. Once it does, release the home button and move from volume down to volume up so that you can enter the recovery. So let's try it. I know it is a little complex. Let's do it. Power, volume down, and home button until the screen goes off. Now move from volume up to volume down and release the home button. And that should get you to the recovery. Now release the buttons once you see the installing system update. I don't know why the focus is so wrong right now. I'll just unzoom. Maybe that'll fix the zoom. And now press and hold on the power button. While doing so, shortly press on shortly press on volume up. So press and hold power and shortly press on volume up. Now in a moment there should appear this like recovery mode, right? Let's give it a moment. Okay, it's there already. Now what you'll need to do is use the volume down button to get to the option that says wipe data factory reset, as you can see right here. Then press on the power key to confirm that. Go down to yes, press on the power key, and now it is wiping. Now at the very top there's reboot system. Now press on the power key to reboot, and now it will take a moment for it to reboot. So yeah, I'll highly recommend just going to your computer already, because you will need a computer for that. Yeah. And the first thing to do on our computer is to go to HardReset.Info website. As you can see right here, there's HardReset.Info, and first search for Samsung S7. Then search and select your model. It's most likely this one, but if you have the Edge, then this video may not work, or may work. I'm not sure. I've tested it on the S7. Go to bypass Google verification and then select how to bypass for Android 8 through 13. And now select Samsung drivers. I will click with scroll on it to open it in another tab. And then also click on SAM FRP bypass tool. Just click on it like so. You can see it'll begin to download. Now the Samsung drivers, right here, click on download as well. They will also be needed. Okay, yeah, one more thing is to disable the malware protection for a moment. The app is trusted by me, but Windows discovers it as malware because it is not signed, because it's not really an official app, right? So yeah, you may need to go to Windows Security and disable the virus and threat protection just for a moment, just click on that, click on manage settings and disable that and everything else. Later on you can enable it after everything is done. But yeah, now you should go to the File Explorer and go to Downloads. Then find Samsung USB driver, right click on it, click on Extract All, then click on Extract. And open the install file. Install it, just clicking on Next a few times, and remember to restart your computer afterwards. Now, after that's done, extract the FRP bypass tool, like so, and then go through the tool setup. It's also very simple, just clicking on Next a few times. I'll exit it because I think I already have it on my computer. I'll just check that. Okay, doesn't matter. Yeah, I have it already. So, I won't be doing that because I just don't want to install it twice. Just not to mess with anything here. I'll just open the tool. And you can see I have it right here. So we'll get to that. But first, on our phone, I'll select the correct language so you'll understand what is happening here. Let's go further. Next. And now you saw that alert. It said that an unauthorized attempt has been made. If this alert doesn't show up, then you can just go further and your phone is already unlocked. But if it shows up, then there's no point in me going further. We just know the alert is there, so we need to do the bypass. So now let's click on emergency call. Click on *# O *#. It'll get you to this screen. Plug in a cable, a micro USB cable that is working properly. If it is working properly, it should discover your phone right here. You can see it is right here shown. And then I can click on remove FRP security older than August 2022. And it'll do anything. It'll do everything automatically. It'll just ask me for debugging in a moment, but not yet. So yeah, let's give it a moment. And yeah, it's red now. Now it's saying something, but we already have it in test mode. So let's click on already open test mode, because this is the test mode. Now it's enabling ADB. If there are some errors, they don't matter. Make sure you select always allow from this computer, then click on OK. Yeah, now it's doing something. Yeah, now it's restarting the phone. We can unplug the cable and you can see it is starting and it's all done. Let's unlock it. Yeah, and now it's done basically. So the last thing that I'd recommend doing is to make sure that you don't have any additional services in the background that the app might have enabled in order to unlock it, is to go to settings, then go to go to general management, reset settings, factory data reset, scroll down, tap on reset, delete all, and after that the phone will restart with the system being totally clean. You can set it up on your own however you want, and that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.